nice start to the morning. Good morning, tribe. So here we are at Martin's Bay, which is somewhere I used to come a lot as a child. Actually, we used to have a caravan around the corner at Snell's. Oh, not Snell's. At fish on at Sanspit. So I've been here a bit in my youth, but haven't been here for a long time. Sitting out on a kayak or anything. So we're just trying to get ourselves some live bait. Fighting through the little snapper at the moment. So we're going trying to find some yellowtail, and then hopefully they're going to head out that way towards Kawa. There's a couple of reefs to try on the way, and we will try our luck for a kingfish today. Might troll some baits as a bit of practice for competition next week. Oh, there we go. That's the live baits we want. These little guys here. Jack mackerel, yellowtail, yakkers. We got lots of different names. So, the plan is load up on live bait as much as I can, and then cruise over to Hauraki, Kayaking, Challenger. Oh, Challenger's in the distance. Acid Tree. Should be fun. That's the end of it. Oh, I must admit, I'm really impressed with this Tasline. It's got my soft bait reel. Casts like a dream. Bait's just been hit. We know we've been. Couldn't hook up. That's a shame. Someone's obviously cruising around. big thing on, eh? Bait hanging around at between 5 and 10 metres. Loads of jackbacks. Just missed another hook up, which is a bit annoying. So stuck a slightly bigger bait down. See what happens with that guy. Right, we're all loaded up. So about 6 or 7 jackies, jackbacks. And now we're going to head out over there. It's a pretty uneventful paddle across. It's stacks and stacks of bait in the channel in between the islands. So should be something around. Just keep cruising. Gonna paddle up hard against the island here and just cast some soft baits in and around the shallows. See if any lurking snaps are around. Probably going to give that a little bit, and then I'm going to get across to Passage Reef, which is the one in the middle there between Beehive and Kayaking. And then depending how the weather is, I might push on to Challenger, which you can see in the distance in a minute. It's looking alright. It's a little bit funkier than I thought, but we'll keep playing it by ear. It's nice to be out on the water. Just to show you those islands, we've got Rakaraka, Motu Rakaraka, so it's got a wreck in front of it, and then behind it you've got Motu Ora, and then Motu Keti, I think it is, and then just marked out there is Passage Reef, Beehive Island, and then in the distance, just off the tip of Kowal, is Challenger. So let's get into it. We are loaded with live bait. We are primed and ready. We just need to catch something, find some fish. Some good hits on the soft bait. Nice if the live bait got hit. Oh, speaking of which, soft bait failed. With these snapper. It's a little bit blowy for my liking, so we're gonna just stick with these bait balls and birds for the time being. Maybe as the tide comes in, we'll go and chill out on Beehive Island for a bit. But as it's white capping, I am not going to push it going to Challenger. So just keep looking for those kingfish around here. I think that's the plan. I've still got 4 or 5 live bait left. There's workups, snapper under the workups, so if things aren't panning out, I might just pull a couple of snapper in, and then sounds good. Lunchtime. to one of my subscribers who just drove past on a boat and said, "I've seen you on YouTube." Awesome dude. That's why we do this stuff. Cool to see some people actually recognise me. For sure. Yeehaw! Absolute donkey. Look at the size of this thing. Whoop. Alright, I'm just going to get him straight back. 71. And away you go. Quick fillets and then slice it up for sashimi. Hey mate, how's it going? Yeah, good, thanks. Oh, GoPro. I'm just doing the catch and cook. You're now famous on YouTube. Oh yeah, did you get it? Yeah. Come here. Good boy. Let's turn this into sashimi. Take a nice fillet, this one here, and trim out all this blood. Scraps go to the boss. Alright, let's give this a go. Fresh kahawai sashimi. Mmm. It's good.